Hello, today I am going to show you how to change your Bing homepage to google.com. So first go to Microsoft Edge and open it. You can see that Bing is a default homepage for Microsoft Edge. To change this, you can go to settings and click on start and then change this bing.com from here. Save it and also change this to google.com and make this visible on your Microsoft Edge homepage and then restart, then open it again. Now you can see your Microsoft homepage is changed to google.com. You can change it to Bing anytime by going to setting and then changing the start button, and then you will have Bing Microsoft homepage again. Thank you.